Yeah, this is for MA1 2H paper, June 2025. So let's go for the first question. Rio has 6 cards. He written a number on each card so that the range is given and the median is given, mode is given. So he's written the numbers in the he arranged in order, so 3 numbers are hidden, so we need to find the number. That's the question. So the range is going, the number is 10. The range is highest data minus the lowest data equal to 10. So highest one is 14, obviously the lowest one is 4, then the difference is going to be 10. Next, the median of the number is 7.5. The median is here is even number of data, so mid 2 value first we should add, then divided by 2 equal to 7.5. So divided by 2, before that was 15, so 6 plus 9 is going to be 15, then only the median going to be 7.5. So we found this number. Then the third clue is mode of this number is 6. So this means 6 must be at least 2 times. So here 6, that's a missing numbers 4, 6 and 9. Question number 2, here on the grid enlarge the shape A with a scale factor of 3 and center 0, 1. This is center 0, 1 is here. Okay, so enlarge the shape. So first we'll find this one from here, from the center only 1 unit right, that's it. So 1 unit right, the first one always right or left, second one is up or down. So here 1 unit right. The second, this point is going to be 1 unit right and 1 unit up, which is going to be 1, 1 from the center. Next I'll go for this point, 2 units right and 1 unit up. 2 units right and 1 unit up. Then I'll go for this point, that is 2 units right and 1, 2, 3, 3 units up. 2 and 3 units up. Then this point 3 units right, so 3, 0. Then this point 3 units right and 3 units up, 3, 3. So this all scale factor 3, so we need to times 3 the entire thing. So 3, 0, 3, 3. This is 6, 3, then 6, 9. Next 9, 0, then 9, 9. So this first point 3, 0, this is 3, 3, 0. First point here, second point is 3, 3, which is 3. Then 3 is 1, 1 units right and 1 unit up. Okay, it's correct. Now 3 units right and 3 units up, so it's going to be here the second part. Next 6 unit right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units right and 3 units up. One, two, 3. Next 6 units right and 9 units up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 9 units right, here. Next 9 units and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here. Okay, this is the figure. So here, then here, then here. Yeah, this is the enlargement by scale factor 3. Okay, so the next one, describe fully a single transformation that maps a triangle P onto triangle Q. So P to Q, so use tracing paper, draw the line. Okay, then we can find, so the answer we'll get, it is, first you have to write is rotation. When you use tracing paper we'll get 180 degree, and whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, both are same. Okay, next with the center, we'll get 5.5. Okay, the next question, question number 3. Show that 7 1 by 3 minus 3 4 by 7 equal to, so we need to, so I'll take LHS. LHS is the left hand side. So 7 1 by 3 minus 3 4 by 7, which is multiply 3 times 7 is 21, 22 over 3 minus 21 25 over 7. So make it LCM, same denominator, which is here multiply by 7, here multiply a 3, up and down. So which is 22 times 7 154 over 21 minus here 3, which is 75 over 21. So 154 minus 75 over 21, which is equal to 79 over 21. Change into mixed fraction, which is 316 over 21, which is the RHS. So proved. The next question, using a ruler and compass only, construct a perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Show all your construction lines. First you fix a see compass, fix a pencil. So this is the needle point of the compass. Take more than half. This is just half, then more than half, measure it. Just make a arc from A to some, draw some arc up and down. So same measurement we should not change. Okay, then you have to fix in B the same measurement, just make it, it has to cut in both the curve. So just connect with the ruler. That's it. This is the bisector. It will bisect two equal part. Okay, the next one, the diagram shows two similar quadrilaterals A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H. So there is something are missing, so we need to find out. So when similar, first we need to find the scale factor. So scale factor I'll do, see here one side is common, this two sides already given. So 10 over 4, which is equal to 5 by 2. So this is scale factor. Now we need to find out this x first. So Fe, so here is given, so scale factor times, so 5 times 5 by 2, which is equal to 25 over 2, which is equal to 12.5. so the answer is 12.5. Small to big we need to multiply, big to small we need to divide, then work out y. Y is here CD. So already given the greater side 24, then divided by the scale factor we'll get y. So 24 divided by 25 by the scale factor is 5 by 2. So 5 by 2, which is 24 times 2 over 5, which is 48 over 5. 48 divided by 5 is going to be 9.6. Next, 3 persons, Possum and Tia, shares 240 in the ratio of 3:4:5. So PST, 3 persons, the ratio is going to be 3:4:5. So the amount is 240. So total ratio is going to be 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 12. So total ratio is 12. The first person, the part is 3 over 12 times the 240. Same thing, second person is 4 over 12 times 240. The third person 5 over 12 times 240. Okay, so calculate this 20. Okay, 20 times 2, this is 60. Here is 20, this is going to be 80. Here is 20, is going to be 100. 3 persons, the amount we got it 60, 80 and 100. Then what's happening now? Work out the ratios of the amount. Second line, Sam and Tia, they gave 10 to their share to the first person. So the second person and third person, they gave 10 to the first person. So first person have 80 now, this person 70, this person is 90. So now we'll find out the ratio which is, yeah, we need to common is 10, so just divide by 10, which is 8, 7 and 9. Work out the ratio amount money. Okay, simplest form. So this is the final answer, which is 8 ratio 7 ratio 9. Next question 7. Tim buys a bracelet of 4,000 Swiss francs and the value of the bracelet increases 7%. Work out the bracelet end of 3 years. So 4,000 times is increase, so which is more than 107%, which is 1.07. 107 over 100 is going to be 1.07, 3 years, so power 3. When we calculate, the answer is going to be 4900.172. Give your answer correct to the nearest. So nearest is 4900. The answer is 4900. Next, solve the simultaneous equation. So show clear algebraic working. So here two equations are given. So first equation I will write as it is, plus 5y equal to 8. I will use elimination method. So this y I will make it 5y. So the entire equation I need to multiply with 5. So 20x plus 5y equal to minus 3.5 times 5 is going to be negative 17.5. Now, so subtract both the equations. So 5y minus 5y, they become 0. 3x minus 20x is going to be minus 17x equal to, so this become plus. All the denominator down one is going to be plus. So 8 plus 17.5 is 25.5. So x equal to negative 25.5 over 17. So x equal to negative 1.5. So we got the answer negative 1.5 in the x. So x value, just substitute any one of the equation, will get y. So I'll substitute in the first equation 3 into negative 1.5 plus 5y equal to 8, which is minus 4.5 plus 5y equal to 8. 5y equal to 8 plus 4.5, so 5y equal to 12.5. so y equal to 12.5 over 5, which is equal to 2.5. So y value 2.5. Next, solve the inequality. Okay, so I'll bring all t one side. So 7, this 15 I'll bring it here, it's negative 15 less than 2t, then this 3t, bring it right side, it's become 3t. So 7 minus 15 is going to be minus 8 less than 5t. I will swap now. 5t is greater than negative 8, so t is greater than negative 8 over 5. So t is greater than negative 1.6. So final answer, t greater than negative 1.6. Next, the region R shows the shaded region was bounded by 3 straight lines. So write down the inequalities that define the region R. So first I'll go with this line. This is y, horizontal line is going to be y. So this is a dark line, so y greater than or equal to 3. So if it's a dotted line, then only greater than. Now it's a thick line, so greater than or equal to 3. Same thing next to 2. This is x, so again more than 2, so greater than or equal to 2. Now the last equation I'll write first. Y equal to the gradient. Gradient is going to be change of y over change of x. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So the line is going to downward, so minus x plus y intercept value. Y intercept is 9, so plus 9. Now we have to check whether it's greater than or less than. So I'll pick one point from here, just to put down here 3 comma 4 and minus 3 plus 9, so 6. This side is great. So what happened? Y less than or equal to minus x plus 9. This one just checking. I pick a point, I just checked which side is greater. So inside you pick any one of the point, so which side is greater, that side is open. So here we can write, I'll bring x outside, x plus y less than or equal to 9. X plus y less than or equal to 9. Next question 10. ABD and ABC are right angle triangle. So AB equal to 16, BC equal to 12 and AD equal to 1.5 times AC. Find the length of CD. So our target, we need to find this CD. So first I'll find AC is using Pythagoras. Okay, AC is the, I'm taking a small triangle, ABC. So AC square equal to 12 square plus 16 square. This is Pythagoras. So AC equal to square root of 12 square plus 16 square, which is going to be AC equal to 20. Now AD is given. AD equal to 1.5 times AC, 20, which is going to be 30. So we know AD. Again I'll use triangle now ABD. So big triangle I'm taking, triangle ABD. So big triangle, so again I'll go for Pythagoras. AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. AB square plus BD square. Here what we need to find out? We need to find BD. So I'll bring AB square to left side. So AD square minus AB square equal to BD square. So BD equal to square root of AD square minus AB square. So square root of AD is 30 square. 30 square minus AB is going to be 16 square. So the answer is BD equal to 25.37715. So we got entire BD. So we need only CD. So CD equal to entire length minus the 12. CD equal to BD minus BC. CD equal to BD minus BC. So BD is 25.37715 minus BC is 12. Is 12, which is equal to 13.37715. So the question says round by 3 significant figure, which is 13 point here. So next number is above 5, so we should add 1. 13.4 is the answer here. Next question, Khalid has a box of counters. So 17 red. So red is 17 and blue is 28. And the rest is orange, they are saying. So we don't know how many is there, that I'll take as x. The box having x counters, so orange is going to be x minus 17 plus 28, so which is equal to x minus 45. Have orange. Khalid is going to take a random counter from the box. The probability that Khalid will take an orange counter is 4 by 9. Orange is x minus 14. So x minus 45 out of total number equal to 4 over 9. So work out the number of orange counters in the box. First we'll find out x, then we'll work out orange. So from here x 9 into x minus 45 equal to 4x, which is 9x minus 405 equal to 4x. Bring x here. 9x minus 4x equal to 405. So 5x equal to 405, x equal to 81. So total number of counters is 81, but we need only orange. The question says only orange, so orange is x minus 45, so which is 81 minus 45, so the answer is going to be 36. So there is 36 orange counters. So next one, expand and simplify. Okay, so first I'll expand the first two. 6x square plus 15x, here 7x minus 4. Now I'll expand 6, sorry, now 42x cube minus 24x square plus 15 times 7 is 105x square minus 15 times 4 is 60x. 42x cube minus 24 plus 105, which is going to be 81, plus 81x square minus 60x. That's the answer. 42x cube plus 81x square minus 60x. Next question 13. The frequency table gives the information about the time in minutes in 60 people took a complete puzzle. Okay, so first complete the cumulative frequency table. So first 0 to 10 is going to be 8 as it is. Next 0 to 20. So we add up first two together, which is 21. Next 0 to 30 we have to add plus 12, which is 33. Then up to 40 we have to add 17, which is 50. Then 57, then 60. So total 60 is last. So here total 60 people are there. We got 60. Then our cumulative frequency is correct. On the grid, people draw the cumulative frequency graph for your table. So first, and 10 is 8, 20 is 21. 10 is 8, 20 is 21. Next 30, 33, 40, 50, 33, then 40 is 50, next 60 is 60. Okay, so we cannot use the ruler. This is a freehand drawing, so here I couldn't write proper with the pencil. We should connect all this. Should be a curve. It's not a straight line, should be curve. Okay, use your graph, find the estimate for the median. See, there are 60 cumulative frequencies, so 30 just draw with the ruler. So where it's going to be here, that's going to be the median. Median is, so the figure is not clear. I got 29. No, so I'm wrong. So this is away, so 1 before it. It's going to be, so this is 28 minutes, the median. Next, use your graph to find the estimate for the number of people who took more than 45 minutes. So 45 minutes is here. Just draw. It's not accurate one, so my graph is not clear. So approximate and it will go until here because the graph has to go this way. Okay, so now we need to draw here. So up 5 plus 1 6 7. So you will get a range of this answer 5 6 or 7. So right now I got 7. So your answer 5 6 7 all correct answer. So all right, 7 people. 45 and above, so we need to calculate above here. This how many people here, that's it. So here is like 53, so 60 minus 53 is going to be 7. That's why I got 7 here. Next one, question 14. Here are 5 graphs. Write down the letter of the graph. Could you have the equation 5 minus? So it's a quadratic and negative. So negative, the quadratic will be like this. So only one chance, that is B here. Next, 2x cube is a cubic graph. So the cubic graph is going to be here, C. Okay, next question 15. Simplify fully. Okay, so here is a negative, so I'll make it positive. So inside it should be reciprocal. So 10a power 7 c square over 2a cube whole power negative, sorry, no, it's a positive 3, because we swap inside, it will become positive. Now we have to take everything separate. 10 cube a power 21 c power 6 over 2 cube a power 9, which is equal to, this is 1000, then a power, this is 21 and here is a 9, so divide, we can take away, which is 21 minus 9 c power 6 over 2 cube is going to be 8. So now the 8 and 1000 become 125. So final answer 125, and a power 21 minus 9 going to be 12. A power 12 and c power 6 is the answer here. Next question 16. Make t is a subject of the formula. So I'll bring c into 7 minus 8t square equal to t square plus 3. So expand 7c minus 8c t square equal to t square plus 3. So t is a subject, will bring all t one side. I'll bring 3, 7c minus 3 equal to t square plus 8c t square. So 7c minus 3 equal to, bring t square out, so which is 1 plus 8c. Bring 1 plus 8c here. 7c minus 3 over 1 plus 8c equal to t square. Now remove the square, right side is going to be a square root plus or minus square root of 7c minus 3 over 1 plus 8c. This is the answer, plus or minus square root of 7c minus 3 over 1 plus 8c, which is t equal to Okay, question number 17. Y equal to 4x cube plus 5x square plus 2x. So dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to, see, 3 times 4, which is 12x square. So 4x cube, so this one we have to multiply here 12, then just remove 1 less minus 1, so which is x2, that's why I written. Even the second term again, 2 times 5, which is 10, and remove 1, the new exponent, then x, plus here is same 2x, so x equal to 1, then 1. So dy by dx equal to 12x square plus 10x plus 2. Next, to find the coordinates of the turning point of the graph. Okay, turning point, so we'll do dy by dx equal to 0, turning point. So dy by dx already we done, which is 12x square plus 10x plus 2 equal to 0. So equal to 0, we can divide by entire by 2 because a common, so 6x square plus 5x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now factorize. So multiply time we have to get 6, addition time we have to get 5, so which is 3 comma 2. So expand this, 6x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x, bring it out, so 2x plus 1 Say 2x plus 1 is going to be plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So next 3x plus 1 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. From here 3x equal to negative 1, x equal to negative 1 by 3. Here 2x equal to negative 1, x equal to negative 1 by 2. We got 2x, so we have to find the turning point. First x equal to negative 1 by 3. Put this y. Here already y is given. So y equal to what? 4 into x cube. 4 into minus 1 by 3 whole cube plus 5 into minus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 by 3. So the answer you will get, the answer is going to be minus 1 by 4. Next x equal to minus 1 by 2. So put minus 1 by 2, y equal to 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 5 into minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. 2 into minus 1 by 2. So we substituting this y. So this y we are substituting here. So we are getting y. So y equal to here. I will get the answer is minus 7 by 27. So first one, what is the first pair? We'll get is a 2 turning point because a cubic equation. So first turning point is going to be x-axis minus 1 by 3, y-axis minus 1 by 4. Next one, minus 1 by 2 and minus 7 by 27. It's 2 turning points. Next question 18, use algebra to show this. Okay, so first I'll take LHS, we'll prove RHS. So LHS, so I'll take let x equal to 0.702 is recurring, 702. Okay, so next I'll multiply 1000x because after decimal should be same decimal. So 702 point again 702 decimals keep going because 0.702 702 702 keep going this pattern. So now I'll subtract both the equations. Second equation, this is second equation, this is the first equation. So 2 minus 1 I'll do. So left side 1000x minus x equal to right side 702.702 recurring minus 0.702 recurring. After decimal everything is gone. So 99x equal to 702. So x equal to 702 divided by 999. So use calculator, get the lowest term. So which is 26 over 37 you will get, which is equal to RHS. We proved. Next, solve the inequality, show all your working. So 4x square plus 4x minus 15. First I'll take it equal to 0. Okay, so multiply time 15 times 4 is 60, negative 60 we have to get, addition time we have to get 4. So the factors are 10 and 6. So in middle is plus, so 10 and minus 6. So now expand it, 4x square plus 10x minus 6x minus 15 equal to 0. So here is 2x is out, 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5 here, so which is minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 and 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So first part equal to 0, 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So here 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 over 2, which is x equal to 1.5. Here 2x equal to negative 5, x equal to negative 5 over 2, x equal to negative 2.5. We got two values. Okay, because the positive quadratic, so the graph is going to be down to up. So one is negative 2.5 crossing point, one is 1.5. now the inequality is less than 0. So when it's less than 0, it's down. We have to check down here. This is continuous, this line continuous. So minus 2.5 less than x less than 1.5. so here no equal to, so strictly this less than. So minus 2.5 less than x less than 1.5. if it's greater than 0, then we have to see the above the line, so which is two different inequalities. So it's not continuation. Here down is continuation. Next, 120 gardeners were asked to grow carrots or potatoes or tomatoes on this gardeners. Okay, here 33, we need the number of gardeners who grow the only potatoes equal to the number of gardeners who grow tomatoes. So this and this is equal. Okay, complete the Venn diagram. That's the question. Okay, 43 carrots. All carrot is equal to 43. So 12 grow carrots and potatoes and tomatoes. All common is 12 here. Next, 18 grows carrot and potatoes. Carrot and potatoes 18. Already 12 is here, so it's going to be 6. Okay, next. 27 grow carrot and tomatoes. Carrot and tomatoes 27. 12 already here, so here is going to be 15. Together is 27. Next one, grow potatoes and tomatoes 32. Potatoes and tomatoes 32. So 12 is here. Here is going to be 20. Then 29 do not grow anything, so 29 should be outside. So 43 grow carrots. So this entire thing, entire thing is 43. So 43 minus 15 plus 12 plus 6, so which is equal to 15. So 18 is 20, 33. So 43 minus 33 equal to 10. So only carrot is going to be 10, because the entire thing is 43. The rest 6, 12, 15 already there inside the carrot, so rest is only 10. Now this part and this part is same, so I'll take as these two are like x and x. These two are the same, it's given already. See, number who grows potatoes equal to the number of his tomatoes only. Okay, now when we add up everything, there are 120 gardeners. When we add up all, we have to get 120. So 10 plus 6 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 29 plus x 2x equal to 120. So when we add up all, we'll get 92 plus 2x equal to 120. 2x equal to 120 minus 92. 2x equal to 28. So x equal to 14. Yeah, so here is 14 now. Here also is going to be 14. So we filled everything now. Next one, find number of t dash which is other than t. Other than t intersect with c. Other than t is the entire box other than the t. So intersect with c. So it's going to be this two part. Intersect with c. So this area other than t but intersect with c. So here 10 and 6, total 16 we have. The answer is going to number of is 16. The next one of the garden who grows carrot is chosen as random carrot. So entire carrot is going to be 43 is given. So out of 43, calculate the probability of this gardener grows potatoes. So entire carrot is 43, then how many potatoes there? 42, 6 plus 12, so which is 18. So 18 over 43 is the answer. Next, question 21. The diagram shows a cuboid. The cuboid measures 3x, 2x by y. So the volume of this cuboid is given. Total surface area is A. Then show all your working. Okay, first volume of this cuboid, so which is we need to multiply everything. So 3x times 2x times y. Volume already given, which is 1014. 1014 equal to 6x square y. Next, total surface area. So we need to find the area of all the sides. So total surface area. So total surface area equal to 2 times 3x times 2x times 2x plus 2 times the other two sides, okay, which is 2x and y plus 2 times 3x and 2x, because total surface area is going to be 2 times LB plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LH. So I did it that. Okay, which is equal to total surface area. What is given? A. So A equals to 2 times 3 6, 6 times 3 12, 12, sorry, this is 2x. Here is y, by mistake I did it. Here is y. Okay, 12x square plus 4xy plus 6xy, which is equal to A equal to 12x square plus 10xy. See here, final answer we cannot see y, so we have to remove the y. For this one, from we got the volume, so make a subject of y. So what we can do, 1014 equal to 6x square y. So 1014 over 6x square equal to y. Okay, so when you do reduced form, 1014 divided by 6 will get like 169 over x square equal to y. So this value just we are going to substitute here. A equal to 12x square plus 10x into 169 over x square. So A equal to 12x square. Here 1x got cancelled, so plus 1690, because 10 times 169 1 over, there is only 1x. That we need to prove. This is the thing we need to prove, that show that. So we proved the answer here. Next, question number 22. The diagram shows a square inside a rectangle ABCD. The total area of the region shown shaded. The diagram is X. So AB is given, AB value, BC value is given, because a rectangle, both the two sides, opposite sides are equal, then middle one is a square value also is given, all are rounded, so it's going to be bounds. By considering bound, work out the value of X, suitable degree of accuracy. Okay, so first AB is 11.5, so upper bound is 0.5, so 0.25 is up, 0.25 is down, so 11.75, this is upper bound, 11.25 is the lower bound. Next, 9.2, the upper bound is here like a two significant figure, so 9.25 and 9.15 lower bound. So next one is 4.1. The upper bound is going to be here two significant figure. The upper bound is going to be 4.15, here 4.05. Okay, so the bounds, this is subtraction. So first I'll do upper bound and lower bound. First outside I'll take upper bound, inside I'll take lower bound. So how to find the area of outside? Outside is AB times BC minus middle term. So we have to do AB times BC minus AB times BC, yeah, times here inside 1 square side square. Yeah, so I'll write square side square. First I'll take upper bound of the big one, so it's going to be 11.75 times 9.25 minus the lower bound, which is 4.05 square. So when you will get the answer 9.285. Next, lower bound and upper bound. So which is lower bound is 11.25 times 9.15 minus 4.15 square. Equal to 85.710. when you round up nearest whole number, which is going to both going to be 90, so 90 is our answer. Next question 23. Here is algebraic question, so just simplify, find the value of p. Is given here. Okay, so first 4x square minus 4x minus 120 over 5x square minus 180. Here is a division, so I'll change to multiplication, so upside down, which is 10x square plus 60x over x square plus 5x equal to p. Now I'll factor the first part, which is 4x square minus 4x minus 120. Factorize, bring 4 outside, so which is x square minus x minus 30. So 4. So here is that multiplied time, we have to get negative 30 minus 1, so which is 6 and 5. So minus 6 comma 5. So x minus 6 and x plus 5. Okay, this part is going to be 4 into x minus 6 and x plus 5. The denominator part I will do here 5x square minus 180. Bring 5 outside, x square minus 36. So 5 into x square minus 6 square. So 5 into x minus 6 and x plus 6. So 5 into x minus 6 and x plus 6. Here times. So now I will erase this. Okay, 10x square plus 60x. Here I'll bring 10 out, so it's 10x out. 10x is common, so I am bringing 10x out, so x plus 6. So 10x into x plus 6 over, here I'll bring x outside, so x plus 5, which is equal to p. Here now it's a multiplication, so we can do cancel x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 6, x plus 6. What else? X minus 6, x minus 6. Now number, here 1x, here 1x. The number 5 and this is 2. So 4 times 2, which is 8 equal to p. That is the final answer. P equal to 8. Next question 24. The diagram shows a square based pyramid ABCDE. So EA, EB, ECD all are equal. M is the center of the horizontal square. So here is M and Q is the midpoint of AB. So midpoint, this is Q, and angle EQM. E to Q, this is Q. Q to M, this is 80 is given, so we'll draw. Okay, then EA to AB. EA 2AB equal to n ratio 1. So we need to find the value of n in three significant figure. We need to find the value of n. So AB equal to 1. So I'll take here as unknown. So I'll take as a 1, AB equal to 1. So the entire side, all the side is going to be 1 because a square. So entire thing is, all the side is 1. So this is 0.5. Then here is 0.5 because 1q is the midpoint. Okay, so this is 0.5. This entire here to here is 1. So the half is 0.5. So this is half the way around because m is the midpoint. So here is 0.5. This length, and here is 80. This angle is 80 degree. Okay, so we need to find out AE. That's a EA we need to find out, because yeah. So for that, okay, I'll find EM. Then my idea is like, so here also to connect, because this is 0.5. This side also 0.5, here also 0.5. This become a square. So then I will draw a line here. Now this is going to be a triangle. So I can find this length. I need to find out AM. I need to find out also EM. I need to find out. EM is very simple. So I'll take, this is triangle EMQ. Triangle EMQ. So tan 80 degree. So tan 80 degree equal to opposite, which is EM over the, which is 0.5. So 0.5 tan 80 degree equal to EM. So calculate, which is 2.8356. So 2.8356 equal to EM. So I got EM. Now I'll go for triangle EM. So no, I'll go for Pythagoras theorem. I'm using finding AM, because this is square. So this is a triangle now. So 0.5 square, 0.5 square, square root of AM equal to, this is one of the result. Then AM equal to AM equal to square root of 0.5 square plus 0.5 square, which is going to be 0.5 square plus 0.5 square, which is going to be root 2 by 2 AM. Now I'll go for triangle EMA. Triangle EMA. So we know two sides, which is EM and AM. We know AE equal to which is EA equal to square root of, so one side square root of by 2 whole square plus 2.8356 whole square. Use calculator, get the value. We'll get the answer 2.92243. EA. So EA equal to n. So we need to calculate the EA only, which is equal to n. So three significant figures. So we need to round up by three significant figure. EA equal to n. N is, so round up here, 2.92. N equal to 2.92 is the answer. Next, question number 25, and this is completing the square. Okay, so I'll rearrange the terms. Minus 6x square plus 24x plus 28. I'll bring minus 6 out, which is x square minus 4x minus 28 by 6. So minus 6, make it half in the middle term, so is 2. So x minus 2 whole square. So minus this one square minus 28 over 6, which is minus 6 x minus 2 whole square. This is minus 4 minus 28 over 6. So minus 6 x minus 2 whole square. And this one take LCM, minus 24 minus 28 over 6, which is minus 6. I'll bring inside, so no, still I'll take outside, x minus 6 whole square, and minus, this is minus 52 over 6. Now I'll bring minus 6 inside, minus 6 x minus 6 whole square, minus of minus plus, 6 and 6 got cancelled, 52. So this is the answer in the form of first is positive, so 52 should be first. 52 minus 6 into x minus 6 whole square. Sorry, x minus 2. Why did I change? Here is x minus 2. So x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. So the answer is 52 minus 6 into x minus 2 whole square. Next, the same question. So show clearly. Okay. So turning point. So show clearly the coordinates. We need to draw the sketch the graph. The same quadratic. So turning point and the intersection of y-axis. That's the two things we need to find out. So 52 minus, I'll write the completing square, 52 minus 6 into x minus 2 whole square, which is minus 6 into x minus 2 whole square plus 52. This is completing the square pattern. So turning point is going to be, so inside, what is their opposite sign, which is 2 and outside number. This is going to be the turning point. And y-intercept point is 52. That is y-intercept sorry, not 52. Y-intercept point is going to be, here put x equal to 0. The given equation, y equal to 28 plus 24x square minus 6x. Y-intercept is x equal to 0. Just put x equal to 0, entire thing going to be 0. So y equal to 28. So y-intercept equal to, the coordinate is going to be 0, 28. Okay, first I'll go for 0, 28. So somewhere here is 0, 28. Then the turning point is 2, 52. So 2 is here, 52 somewhere here. This is 2, 52. So that's it. They asked only turning point and the y-intercept. Just connect. This should be touch. Okay, just draw a curve. Okay, that's it. This is your answer. Okay, next question number 26. A and B are two similar solids. The height of A and height of B is given. So given that volume of A, volume of B minus volume of B is 735. Find the volume of A. I'll do one thing first. Scale factor. Find the scale factor. Scale factor is big divided by small, 31 over 18.6. This is the scale factor. Okay. So next, which one is big? Solid A is the bigger and small. Okay, so scale factor. This volume I'll take X, the solid B. So volume of B I'll take is X. So volume of A is going to be, so as a greater, so volume of B times this is scale factor cube. This is a volume cube. So X times 31 by 18.6 whole cube. So we can write X into 31 cube over 18.6 cube. So which is 31 cube is 125. So 125 over this is no, just calculate using use calculator and just type 31 cube by 18.6 cube. So the answer is going, the lowest term will get 125 over 27 you will get into X. Now we'll go for, see, we found volume A and volume B, two different things we got. So just I substitute volume A is 125 over 27x minus volume B I took as X equal to 735. Okay, so take LCM, 125x minus 27x over 27 equal to 735. So 125 minus 27 is going to be 98. 98x over 27 equal to 735. Okay, so x equal to 735 times 27 over 98. So x will get 405 over 2. So this is the volume of the B. So our question is volume of A. Volume of A is going to be this. So x value just substitute, we'll get the answer. So volume of A equal to 125 over 27 times 405 over 2. So the answer is going to be 937.5. So the answer is 937.5. Yeah, that's the end of the question paper. We've done the paper. Thank you.